In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase likes on Facebook. Maybe you notice certain likes on your Facebook posts and you want to remove it. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your Facebook app homepage, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile picture and tap on it. Then on this interface, continue to tap on this three dot beside C dashboard. This will land you on an interface like this with a bunch of menus. Continue to tap on activity log. Then on this interface, scroll down a bit and tap on your activity across Facebook. A list of options will appear. Proceed to tap on manage comment and reactions. This will land you on an interface like this. On the top right corner, continue to tap on filters and then proceed to tap on categories. Make sure to select likes and reactions, and there you are. You have the list of all reactions on your Facebook posts. In the event you want to erase any like, all you have to do is to navigate beside the posts and tap on this three dots and then continue to tap on unlike. If you want to also remove all the likes, all you have to do is to proceed to the top right corner and tap on all and then continue to tap on remove. This will automatically erase all the likes on your Facebook posts. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.